Tutorial on how to take care of your hair to create volume and express your own style. Hair can be a great way to express yourself and add volume to your overall look. But it's not always easy to achieve the desired results without the right care and styling techniques. In this tutorial, we'll explore some tips and tricks for taking care of your hair to create volume and express your own personal style. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. The first step to achieving voluminous hair is to choose the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. Look for products that are specifically formulated to add volume and thickness to hair. Some popular options include volumizing shampoos that contain ingredients like keratin and biotin, which help to strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Additionally, opt for lightweight conditioners that won't weigh down your hair and leave it looking flat. Use a volumizing mousse or spray. Once you've washed and conditioned your hair, apply a volumizing mousse or spray to your roots. This will help to lift your hair at the roots and create volume that lasts all day. Apply the product to damp hair and then blow dry your hair upside down, using a round brush to add even more volume. Consider a dry shampoo. If you're in a rush and don't have time to wash your hair, consider using a dry shampoo to add volume and texture to your hair. Dry shampoo works by absorbing excess oil and sweat from your scalp, which can weigh down your hair and leave it looking flat. Simply spray the dry shampoo onto your roots and massage it in with your fingers, then style your hair as usual. Experiment with different hairstyles. There are countless hairstyles that can help you achieve voluminous hair. For example, you might try a high ponytail or a messy bun to add height and texture to your hair. Alternatively, you could opt for loose waves or beachy curls to create a more relaxed, casual look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hairstyles until you find the one that works best for you. Get regular trims. Regular trims are essential for keeping your hair healthy and preventing split ends. When your hair is damaged and split, it can be more difficult to achieve volume and body. Make sure to get your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it looking healthy and full of life. Protect your hair from heat damage. Heat styling tools like flat irons and curling irons can cause serious damage to your hair if you don't use them correctly. To protect your hair from heat damage, always use a heat protectant spray before styling your hair. Additionally, try to limit your use of heat styling tools as much as possible, and opt for air drying your hair whenever you can. Use a wide tooth comb. Using a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair is essential for maintaining volume and body. Avoid using a brush, which can pull your hair down and leave it looking flat. Instead, use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle your hair, starting at the ends and working your way up to the roots. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Believe it or not, the type of pillowcase you use can make a big difference in the health of your hair. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can help to prevent hair breakage and frizz, which can leave your hair looking flat and lifeless. Additionally, silk pillowcases are less likely to absorb moisture from your hair, which can help to maintain its natural volume and texture. Eat a healthy diet. Finally, it's important to eat a healthy diet that is rich in vitamins and nutrients.